Okay. You're having so much fun.
Yes, monkey man style.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, joining us today to perform her new single and talk to us a little bit is none other than the fabulous Angel.
Before you actually perform the song, it's called Single Mothers.
Yes,
right.
Single Mothers.
Could you give us, the inspiration behind it and all of that for this time?
Single Mother is an inspiration about my own story, my own journey.
Yeah.
And I'm just saying, you know what? It's a time now to share that spirit right across the world. And the response has been mind-blowing.
Beautiful. Yeah.
People actually saying, The Angel, this is your best song yet. Wow. I'm like, wow. I mean, I have so much it song. So I say, So this it not only single mothers, single fathers as well, and men that are raised by single mothers. So it's a global thing, and it's just a healing song for many. And videos, trust me, I get videos like crazy left, right, and center. And I'm just very humbled, but at the same time, happy that it has impacted so much. That's what I really wanted, and that's what's happening. And I'm just upset.
That's beautiful.
So who worked and who produced the track?
Cargo.
Oh, nice.
On the 2 times with him. Yeah, Cargo actually wrote the song.
Yeah,
because we have a next song, and we had a conversation, and Cargo just sent it back and said, this year I go sing. And I'm like, whoa. He narrates my life, like, through music. And I could actually express myself in such a way where it just healing so many women and actually men as well. So.
And that's the message you want persons to take on.
Yes.
Well, listen, we're not going to wait. It's time for you to perform the song.
Yeah.
So it's The Angel performing
Single Mothers. Here we go. Woo!
Why me? Why my life got to be so rough? You see the smile, you see the car, you see the pretty clothes, you see the glitter, see the fame, see the pinnacle. Outside of the best me a put. They put her shoes for me one foot. Single mothers where you day, yeah. Me feel like you're not strong today. Come save me. Oh, God, save me now. I'm just a little poor girl from Spanish Town. Yeah, behind the smile, you not see no frown. Me can't make me son see me cry. Single mothers where you dead now. Why me? Me alone. I feel carry the burden for everybody. Save me. Come save me. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. Come save me. Come save me. Oh yeah, drowning, yeah. Me stay strong for my codeine. In the same water sister from me, but me can't give. Me have to make him learn him boxing lesson. Me have to make him stay from pagans and prison. Him know that I'm me alone. Can't depend upon the daddy, but the mother sure. Him ask when the daddy a come home. He say me no know, son, ask him when you see him. Him busy out a road on the street. I'm just a single mother, me alone, vanity. No matter how it's rough, me not go hide it from me. Single mother, where you day? Me alone can't take it. Agony, come save me. All the single mothers in this world, me know how it feel when your eyes in my ball till it burn. Me say you soon get your turn. So once you hold on firm, hold on firm. The bills have your back against the wall. Yeah. Come save me. Come save me. Come save me. Single mother, save me. Save me. Come save me.
to you. Come to you. Come to
She
you.
said somebody save her.
Yes.
Oh, you came as a hero to save her.
Let's go.
Yeah, I don't
Let's
think that's what she
go.
meant. All right, The Angel. So social media, in case nobody knows how to find you.
The Angel Music. Once you hit that, you can just click on everything.
Yeah.
My YouTube, support the music, The Angel Vivo.
Right.
Just go on that, guys. Make sure you're following me. Don't miss the movement because I share most of my information on social media.
Right. Yeah.
However, I'll be in Manchester tomorrow.
Woo!
Yeah. So
Yeah.
the Manchester fans, they don't want to miss that. Mandel Hill, and I'm gonna sing Single Mother. I can't go up on stage right now. I don't sing that song.
But of course, so the song is out. What are some of the platforms that people can find the song?
Well, the song is actually on YouTube right now, The
Nice.
Angel Vivo.
Right.
Yeah.
For now, by next week, it should be released on all platforms.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So big up Cargo again for bringing back
Yes, Cargo.
reggae music.
Yes.
On a different platform. You understand what
Yeah,
I say?
man. And I
So
love the
Vegas
fact-
is also on the radio amongst a lot of artists.
I love the fact that you say it's also about single fathers and the
Yeah.
healing, because sometimes we're leaving out the men.
We can't
It's
let them
very
out. And
important.
Father's Day coming up, and a
Yeah,
lot of
tell
men
you.
are juggling
Wally party.
mother and father.
Yes,
Cats.
very much.
You look like you are juggling.
Is it?
You see the father?
I'm sorry, the fathers.
Yeah, big up to the fathers. Who are the righty.
Yeah.
The Angel, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for watching Daytime Live. But you know who we're really thankful for right now? Who?
License!
Hey!